Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech and everyday tasks super simple. Today, we're diving into how to place an order on Uber Eats 2025. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a quick update on the latest features, this guide will have you ordering your favorite meals in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Uber Eats app downloaded on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store and grab it. It's free and takes just a minute. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your Uber account. If you're new, creating an account is easy. Just enter your email, phone number, and set up a password. Don't forget to add your delivery address right away to speed things up. Now, onto the fun part, finding your food. Use the search bar at the top to type in your cravings, like pizza or sushi, or browse nearby restaurants by category. Uber Eats in 2025 has some cool new updates, like personalized recommendations based on your past orders, so you might discover something new. Once you've picked a restaurant, scroll through their menu. Tap on the items you want, customize them if needed. Think adding extra cheese or removing onions, and add them to your cart. Keep an eye on the total price as you go. When you're ready, hit the cart icon and review your order. Double-check everything, including any special instructions for the driver or restaurant. Next, it's time to check out. Select your payment method. Uber Eats now supports more options like digital wallets and buy now pay later services in 2025. Apply any promo codes for discounts, then confirm your order. You'll get an estimated delivery time, and you can track your delivery in real time through the app. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like a restaurant being closed, the app's AI chatbot is there to help 24/7. And remember, always rate your experience to help improve the service for everyone. There you have it. That's how you place an order on Uber Eats in 2025. It's straightforward, convenient, and perfect for those busy days. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments what you ordered. Happy eating!